question 33, I'm going to demonstrate the use of the Casio ClassPad 2, sometimes known as the Casio ClassPad 400, and how you can go about doing the matrix addition, scalar multiplication, and indeed a matrix by matrix operation. Now mine will work a little differently to yours, but the screens will look virtually the same. First thing I've done, I've gone to the main screen and then I've activated the first keyboard. Now Math 1, Math 2 is the keyboard that you'll need to use. One thing you'll notice here is there are some default matrix formats. So that's a 1 by 2, a 2 by 1 and a 2 by 2. Now if I wanted a 1 by 2 matrix, I would activate that. Now if I wanted to make a 1 by 3, I'd press that. If I wanted to add another row, I add that, and so on. So you build it up in blocks. Now I'll go through and do 33A with you. Now that's an addition of a 2 by 2 matrix with another 2 by 2 matrix. Punch that in again. And I get my answer of 6, 8, 10 and 12. A reminder that we can only add matrices of the same orders. Now, a nice little trick with these calculators, you can actually cut and paste a bit if you wish. If you wanted the same format, comes in handy a little later on if you wish to use it like that. Now I'll go on and do B. This is a subtraction. I'm over typing. You might like just to start it off again. And we get our answer of 15, 2, negative 2, 5. C involves multiplying a scalar by a 2 by 2. Select the 2 by 2 matrix option and enter the matrix accordingly. So I end up with 7, 14, 21, 28. I'll go on and do E because that's our first 2 by 2 matrix by another one. So first up, punch the 2 by 2, select in. End up with 3, 5, negative 1, 12.5. You might notice that some of the alignment looks a little strange. It'll look neater when you write it out. I'll demonstrate F lets you write out the answer. So in case F, it's a 2 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 3. In F, you've got 2 by 2 by a 2 by 3. Because the column number of the first matrix corresponds to the row of the second, you'll have an answer matrix in the order of a 2 by 3 matrix. Now, there isn't a 2 by 3 option, so what I'm going to do here is going to tack on, whoops, wrong one, tack on another column in order to get there. Even though I made a slight error there, you can see how relatively easy it is to amend things as you go. And the answer matrix 7, 10, 10, 4, 6.5 and 7. Now, please get used to using your calculator for these. You might even like to go back and use this technique to check some of the earlier ones.